Good morning, my dear ones. Welcome back again. I am Raksha ma'am. Yesterday we did reading practice and copywriting. Today we will again do reading practice and copywriting of small sentences. Let's start. A sentence is made by using sight words, two-letter words and CVC words. Let's start reading. Here we have a paragraph. First we will read the heading. A, wa, an, when, van, when. It, eat, is, a, wa, an, when, when, then full stop. क्या याद रखना है बच्चों हमें? पहला लेटर कैपिटल होता है सेंटेंस में और सेंटेंस के बाद क्या लगता है? फुल स्टॉप. इट इज अ वैन. यह वैन है. इट इज अ वैन. ईट, इज अ बिग, बिग. big, big. Big means body. Van, van. Van. Then full stop. It is a big van. Van कैसी है? बड़ी है. हर एक लेटर के नीचे आपको फिंगर रखकर रीड करना है. ओके? the, fan, 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 fan. Is, in. The, van, van, then full stop. The fan is in the van. फैन कहाँ पर है? वैन के अंदर. ओके? my, my. dad, dad. dad. is. in. the. van, van. van. Then full stop. My dad is in the van. मेरे पापा वैन के अंदर है. ओके बच्चों? So in this way you have to read whole paragraph. Now we will do copywriting of small sentences in our 4-line notebook. Children, open your 4-line notebook and tell your mama to prepare a page like this in your notebook. Okay? Today's date is 4.3.21 आज भी हम सेंटेंस को कॉपीराइटिंग करेंगे. Let's start. So today we will again do copywriting. Copywriting means सेंटेंस को नीचे कॉपी करना. वही सेंटेंस को सेम फिर से लिखना मीन्स कॉपी करना. ओके? सो लेट अस रीड अवर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. at a cat, cat. and and. at a rat, rat. Then full stop. A cat and a rat. cat और rat. ओके? तो फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होना चाहिए? कैपिटल. और एंड में क्या लगाना है हमें? फुल स्टॉप. गुड. मेरे बच्चों को आता है. अब सब समझ रहे हैं हाउ टू कॉपी राइटिंग. ओके? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट कॉपी. cat. Leave one finger space, then write A T cat. C at a cat. A and D and. Leave some space. A and D and. Leave some space. Then write A. R-A-T rat. R-A-T rat. R at a rat. Then full stop. A cat and a rat. Cat or rat. Again, we will copy the same sentence. A C-A-T cat. C at a cat. A and D and. A and D and. A R at a rat. R-A-T rat. R at a rat. Then full stop. A cat and a rat. In this way, you have to copy the same sentence in this line. Okay. Let us read the next sentence. S-H-E she, H-A-S has, a B-N bun, B-U-N bun. She has a bun. उसके पास bun है. Let us copy the same sentence. First letter should be capital. S-H-E she. Leave some space. Then H-A-S has. Leave some space. A B-N bun. B-U-N bun. Then full stop. She has a bun. उसके पास bun है. Again, we will copy the same sentence. S-H-E she. H-A-S has. A B-U-N bun. Then full stop. She has a bun. उसके पास bun है. In this way, you have to copy the same sentence in this line. Okay. Let us read the next sentence. I-T eat, I-S is, M-Y my, B-Egg bag, B-A-G bag. Then full stop. It is my bag. यह मेरी बैग है. It is my bag. अब हम उसको कॉपी करेंगे. I T eat. Leave some space. I-S is. Leave some space. M-Y my. M-Y my. Leave some space. B-A-G bag. B-A-G bag. Then full stop. It is my bag. Again, we will copy the same sentence. I T eat. I-S is. I-S is. Leave some space. M-Y my. M-Y my. B-A-G bag. B-Egg bag. B-A-G bag. Then full stop. It is my bag. In this way, you have to copy the same sentence in this line. Children, in this way, you have to complete the whole page in your notebook. Okay, my dear ones, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.